Good morning, children. In my last class, I have explained you this chapter about a friendship, and the name of the chapter is Polly Helps a Friend. We have seen how Polly helped her friend. And do you remember who was her friend? Yes, the slide where she used to go and play. So let's do the book exercise here. So, reading comprehension. Number A, you have to tick the correct answer. Options are already given, so it's very easy for you to find the correct answer from here. Polly and Hada went to the children. What do you think? Where did they go? Park, garden, or kitchen? So they went to the park. You have to put a tick mark and you can also write the answer in the blank given. Polly loved the silver seesaw, swing or slide. So we have read that Polly loved the silver slide. The slide pulled out a large dash and started crying. What do you think? A piece of cloth, tissue paper or handkerchief? The slide pulled out a large handkerchief and started crying. The slide was crying because it was sad, in pain, or hungry. So it was in pain because every time children used to play there, they were sliding very fast. So, and it was also growing old and it did not get any rest, so it was in pain. Polly took out a dart from her bag. What do you think? What did she take out? Toy car, a ball, or red crayon and a sheet of paper. Yes, she took out a red crayon and a sheet of paper. She wrote their wet paint and she kept on the slide so that the children did not play there and it will get rest for some days. Now number B is you have to complete the answers to these questions. What did Polly hear after her 12th trip down the slide? So children, half of the answer is written here. You only have to write the main point. After her 12th trip down the slide, Polly heard a groan. Children, what do you think? Who was groaning there? Here the slide was groaning. Hearing it, she jumped off the slide and looked around. What was the first thing that the slide told Polly? See children, when Polly was playing this, she was sliding up and down so many times, so fast. So what do you think? What was the first thing that the slide told Polly? That he was very tired. Let's see. The slide thanked Polly for getting off as it was so tired, and the back of the slide hurt badly that day. So he was thanking her that she went off from there. She jumped off from the slide. What would the children do on the slide? The children jumped on it and slide on the back of the slide at a great speed. And because of these things, what happened? This back of the slide got hurt badly. And it was not getting rest because every day the children used to visit park. They were jumping and playing on the slide. So it was not getting any rest. What was the slide afraid of? The slide was afraid that it will be thrown into the junk heap. Why? Because it was getting old and it was so very okay, and soon it will become useless. If it will not get rest, what will happen? It will become useless and then no one will play there, and then soon it will be thrown into the junk heap, means a large pile of rubbish. And if the slide didn't get rest, it will soon become useless. Why did the little boy's mother say that he could not get on the slide? So children, we have read that Polly was such a smart girl. She took out paper and a red crayon and she wrote their wet paint so that everyone will see that note and they will not go there. They will think that it is painted, it is recently painted and the paint is still wet, and if they will go there, their dresses might get dirty. So the little boy's mother said that he could not get on the slide because the sign kept on the slide said wet paint. Now between the lines, mother asked, what were you doing there? A good thing, answered Polly. So children, what do you think? Why did Polly say that she had done a good thing? Yes, because she saved slide for a few days. The slide will get rest, and then after a few days again the children can slide on it. So see, Polly helped slide. That was a good thing done by her. So children, that's all for today. We will do grammar portion of this chapter in the next video. So that's all for today children. Thank you.